In this quick Photoshop tutorial, I will show you how to put text behind a person instantly. Select the Object Selection tool. Select your subject carefully. Press Ctrl plus J to duplicate the person layer. Select the Type tool and type any text you like. Double click on the text layer and add a drop shadow to give it depth. Now press Ctrl plus J to duplicate the text layer. Open the layer style and add a stroke. Set the stroke size 5px. Position it to center. And reduce the fill to 0%. Select both text layer. Right click and choose link layer. Finally, move the person layer between the two text layers. Your text now look perfectly placed behind the person. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photoshop magic.